Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is advantages of RC coupled amplifier. Okay, जिसके हम several advantages देखेंगे. So first one is first advantage of RC coupled amplifier is convenient and least expensive. Okay, this RC coupled amplifier is convenient and least expensive. ठीक है, कन्वीनियंट है, ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द एडवांटेज ऑफ आरसी कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर. सेकंड वन इज it has wide frequency response and bandwidth. It has this RC coupled amplifier has wide frequency response and bandwidth. Third one is this RC coupled amplifier has excellent audio fidelity. Excellent audio fidelity. Okay. Fourth one is RC coupled amplifier has no core distortion. RC coupled amplifier has no core distortion. These are some of the major advantages of this RC coupled amplifier. RC coupled amplifier. Then we will see some applications of this RC coupled amplifier. इस RC coupled amplifier की applications क्या है वो देखेंगे हम. This RC coupled amplifier is used in voltage amplifier. For the amplification of voltage. If we want to amplify the voltage, we are using this RC coupled amplifier. Second one is this RC coupled amplifier is used in initial stage of public address system. जो public address system होता है उसके initial stage में हम RC coupled amplifier को use करते हैं. Third one is this RC coupled amplifier is used in VCR, tape, recorder, CD, DVD, etc. Okay, this is the third application of this RC coupled amplifier. Next one is that is fourth application, that is RC coupled amplifier is used in TV, radio receivers. TV and radio receivers में भी RC coupled amplifier को यूज किया जाता है. These are the application and some advantages of RC coupled amplifier. Next one is advantages of transformer coupled amplifier. Transformer coupled amplifier. So advantage of transformer coupled amplifier. Okay. Advantages of transformer coupled amplifier. So it provides excellent impedance matching. It provides excellent impedance matching between two stages. ठीक है, ये क्या है इसका फर्स्ट एडवांटेजेस. एक्सेलेंट इम्पीडेंस मैचिंग बिटवीन टू स्टेजेस के बीच में जो इम्पीडेंस मैचिंग होती है that is excellent in transformer coupled amplifier. Second one is it provides higher voltage gain. Higher voltage gain. This is the second. अगर हम RC coupled amplifier से अगर इसका कंपैरिजन करते हैं, so this transformer coupled amplifier provides higher voltage gain as compared to the RC coupled amplifier. Third one is DC biasing of individual stages remain unchanged even after cascading of amplifier stages. क्या होता है? DC biasing of individual stages remain, DC biasing इसकी चेंज नहीं होती कैस्केडिंग होने के बावजूद भी. दिस इज द थर्ड एडवांटेज ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर. देन इसके एप्लीकेशंस. Applications of transformer coupled amplifier. Voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier. फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन क्या है इसकी? ये वोल्टेज एम्पलीफायर में यूज किया जाता है एज अ फाइनल स्टेज, एज अ फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ द मल्टी स्टेज एम्पलीफायर. ठीक है, मल्टी वोल्टेज एम्पलीफायर में जो फाइनल स्टेज होती है उसमें ये ट्रांसफार्मर कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर यूज किया जाता है. सेकंड वन इज इट इज widely used for amplification of radio frequency signal. Amplification of radio frequencies. Amplification of radio frequency. It is widely used for amplification of radio frequency signal. That is power amplifier, RF amplifier, stages and radio and TV. Then it is used in power amplifier. Used in power amplifier. It is also used in transfer power to low impedance load such as loudspeaker. Transfer power, fourth application is transfer power. Transfer power to the low impedance, to the low impedance load, to the low impedance load such as loudspeaker. Such as loudspeaker. Okay, these are the applications of transformer coupled amplifier. It is used as voltage amplifier. It is used in voltage amplifier in final stage of multi-stage amplifier. Amplification of radio frequencies in power amplifier. It is used in transfer power to the low impedance load such as loudspeaker. Okay, this is the all about the application of transformer coupled amplifier.